Hi, it's Jen from Kitchen Queen. We're going to go over how to do a quick start on the stove today to get it up to temp as quickly as possible. Okay, so as you guys know, this is probably only my 5th or 6th time lighting and running the stove, so we're definitely still going through trials and errors here. Because today we're going to be working on doing a quick burn and getting it up to temperature quickly, we've gone ahead and stacked our wood and kindling to start with here with our newspaper in layers. So I started with a layer of newspaper and then a row of kindling on it and repeated that up until it was full. I'm going to get this lit, and as soon as it's burning in there, then I'm going to make sure that I stack it full of wood after that. You want to make sure that you are using a dry wood, and hardwood is going to go slower than. For proper lighting, you're going to want to make sure that you have the damper or the smoke outlet control in the back all the way open. So I'm going to slide it towards the firebox, and that's going to have it open all the way. And I'm also going to adjust the top oven control in the front here. So I'm going to push that in towards the firebox also. No matter which door you have on your stove, you're going to want to make sure that your primary draft control is open on it. So since we have the flame view door on here, I'm going to open it. It's closed now, so to open, I'm going to push it away from the oven or towards the firebox side. So cold starting temp on the stove is going to be about 66 degrees. It's been about 5 minutes since we lit the stove, and we've got a good starting fire going in there, so I'm going to go ahead and load it up with some more wood now. We're 10 minutes in now, and you can see our stove top is over 212 degrees, so we are hot enough to boil water. Okay, it's been 15 minutes. We've put a cookie sheet in here so that we can demonstrate inside oven temperature. I have not adjusted any controls yet, and this is the temperature inside the oven. So after 15 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and adjust the damper in the back. And then I'm also going to adjust the top oven control in the front here. Alright, so within 20 to 25 minutes, our stove is totally up to temperature. The stove top is over 600 and the oven is over 350 now. And that's going to be the best way that you can do a fast heat up on a wood cooked stove.